Logitech G413 TKL keyboard review. Don't buy it. Poor material, few options, and price that too high mean this is one keyboard you should leave on the store shelf. At glance, expert rating: pros: RB, PBT, keycaps, bright lights, construction. Cheap, scratchy switches, no programming, high price. Our verdict: there are better gaming keyboards than the G413, available with far more features at considerably lower prices. Even on sale, this one is not worth a second glance. Best price today: Logitech G413 TKL SE mechanical keyboard, Amazon $47.99, new uh, Newegg $61.47, best by $69.99. You get what you pay for is the platitude trotted out when someone wishes to acknowledge your disappointment without any further necessary actions, and in that sense it cannot be applied to the Logitech G413 TKL Deep Breathe SE mechanical keyboard, because the further necessary action is returning it to whatever store you bought it from and buying a different gaming keyboard. I will not mince words. This keyboard is significantly overpriced, and that's almost impressive because at $70 it's on the cheaper end for gaming mechanical keyboards, but a significant lack of features, broadly cheap materials, and complete lack of programming option make this keyboard more or less unsuitable for gaming. It's not even very good at typing, at least not for the retail price. In short, don't buy the Logitech G413. Logitech for G413 TKL, the good and not bad stuff. G413 looks like a bog standard mechanical keyboard at first glance, and that's what it is. If you did not spot the very Logitech G gaming logo up in the corner, you had to think it was a generic wired board going for perhaps $50 on a Best Buy shelf. The fact that it is a Logitech product and one that comes with a $70 retail price tag is a bit of a surprise on both counts. This keyboard comes with PBT keycaps and an aluminum deck. At the end of the list of the positive attributes, as we have seen with a Habit KB487L, another main name that rolls off the tongue, not the higher quality PBT keycaps are becoming more common even at budget prices, which is why I am still giving Razer the wagging finger of shame every time they have the gall not to put them on a $200 plus keyboard like the Black Widow. And an aluminum deck is a nice addition, again assuming you are dealing with a budget keyboard. Other specs that are neither a positive nor negative include the TKL layout, almost see next paragraph, bright if somewhat limited white only LEDs, and lightweight compact body. That's about it's time to get a whinge on. The fact that it is a Logitech product and one that comes with a $70 retail price tag is a bit of a surprise on both counts. Logitech G413 TKL, the bad stuff. The 6-foot USB cable is not detachable. Anyone who likes a clean desk setup and dislikes diving beneath it to get into the rat's nest of cables you have so carefully hidden would not appreciate that. Gaming would not appreciate the 6-key rollover with anti-ghost, which Logitech lists among this keyboard. Positive features rollover is the ability for a keyboard to register multiple key presses at once, and 6 at a time is extremely basic. Any wired keyboard purporting to be for gamers should boost an key ruler. There is no programming on this keyboard, no macros either on the fly or via Logitech G HUP software. When I plugged it in, the tool helpfully informed me that it was not necessary to use the G413, which means there are no way to customize its layout, which is a bummer for me specifically because taking screenshots is a big part of my job and there no freaking screenshot button. Logitech decided that print, screen, scroll lock and pass keys were unnecessary on this board, hiding them in a function layer which again cannot be changed. So though TKL is the product name, the actual layout of this keyboard would be more accurately called Tanky Less -3. And finally, the G413 comes with any switch you want, so long as you want brown and not just any brown switches, which are not generally the choices of gamers who prefer linear for fast, smooth key presses, not Logitech Super Dapper gaming tactile customizes switches, not even the inexpensive TTC switches as seen on the Logitech Pop Piece keyboard. Nope, these switches come from Longhua, which I had never even heard of before, and is a banner day when a switch company can stump me. Turns out Longhua is a subsidiary of Kale, making even cheaper switches rated for just 50 million clicks. Standard Cherry MX switches boost to 100 million, and even though you are unlikely to hit that E button 50 million times, no matter how much Counter Strike you play, they feel well terrible. They are scratchy, they are chattery, they are exactly the opposite of the kind of switch you want on a gaming keyboard. Frankly, there are much better switches. Even if you want a tactile switch, even if you want tactile switches on a keyboard under $70, and of course you can swap them out.